Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to set up and use the ticket tool on Discord in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Invite ticket tool to your server. First, open your browser and go to tickettool.xyz. Click on the dashboard at the top, then select Log in with Discord. Log into your Discord account and click Authorize. Next, click Invite. Select your server and hit Continue. Leave the role permissions as default or adjust them as needed, then click Authorize again. Once done, head over to your Discord server. You'll see Ticket Tool is now added. Step 2. Set up roles and support category. In your server settings, go to Roles. Create or verify roles like Member, Moderator and Support Staff. Make sure the Ticket Tool bot role is placed below Moderator but above Support Staff for proper permissions. Now create a category in your server called Support and enable Private Category. Give access to all relevant roles, Support Staff, Moderator, etc. Then click Create Category. Inside this category, create a new text channel for tickets, e.g. Open a ticket. Step 3. Create and configure a ticket panel. Go back to the Ticket Tool dashboard, click Manage next to your server. Click the plus icon to create a new panel. Name it, e.g. Support. Under General, select your channel and assign the support staff role as the team that will handle tickets. Click Save, then go to Category Settings and select the support category you created earlier. Go to Messages, click Edit Panel Message, then open the Embed Editor if you want to customize how the panel looks. Once you're done, go to Panel Configs, select your panel and click Send to Channel. Step 4. Test the ticket system. Head back to your Discord server. You should now see the ticket panel message with a Create Ticket button. Click it and a private ticket channel will automatically be created. To close a ticket, click the Close button and confirm. And that's it. You've successfully set up the Ticket Tool bot on your Discord server. If this video has helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Discord tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.